Welcome to part 27 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course. In this video, we will learn about Freeform Gradients in Adobe Illustrator. In previous video, we discussed about simple gradients. You can find the link in description and first comment. To access any gradients in Illustrator, you need to open the gradient window. Double-click on the gradient tool in the tool panel or click Windows and choose Gradient. This is how you can access the linear, radial, and freeform gradient tools. With traditional gradient tools in Illustrator, there are only linear and radial gradients. These options are pretty basic and don't allow for much customization other than color choice and direction. Traditional gradient tools are good for a simple background with a gradient field. The Freeform Gradient tool is great for adding a random mix of colors to your gradient design. The Freeform tool can be used for less precise gradients. It allows for a more natural random use of color. Although it is found within the traditional gradient tool, the Freeform Gradient tool in Illustrator works a little differently. Let's get started. Create a shape with a plain fill color first. Then with the gradient window open, click the rightmost gradient button to open the Freeform tool. Once you have selected the Freeform tool, your previously plain filled shape will now show a gradient with 4 stops or points of color. The 4 stops will be random colors and not necessarily consistent with the original fill color. If you click any of the existing stops, you can change the color. To add more stops, click anywhere else in your shape. The great thing about Illustrator's Freeform Gradient tool is that you can easily drag the colors anywhere in your shape. If you decide you want this color on the left instead of the right, just drag the stop to the left or place 2 stops next to each other. Add some white to see how the colors blend. Moving the color stops around changes how they interact with each other. The freedom of the Freeform tool is that you can add as many colors as you wish and place them anywhere you want. The colors act like individual orbs that lightly blend together at the edges. To delete a color stop, drag it outside your shape. You can increase or decrease the size and spread of each color stop. Click your chosen stop and move the cursor to the dotted circle that surrounds it. The circle will have an oval on the edge of it. Click and drag the oval to increase or decrease your orb and the spread of color. You can even draw lines of gradients by clicking the Lines option in the Gradient toolbar. With lines selected, you can add a new color stop and then the next chosen stop will be connected with a line, straight or curved, that group the gradient colors together. Each stop can still be a different color, or you can use the same color for the entire line with multiple stops included. That's all in our part 27 of Adobe Illustrator Zero to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 28.